Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Maskara Beauty. So this is the box, Maskara Beauty, and I did order a whole bunch of eyeshadows and some extra stuff, and I'm gonna open the box and show you how it looks and show you everything I purchased. And I'm not gonna put anything on my eyes, but I am gonna show you the colors. This is what I currently have. This is everything I have in here. This is, these are for the foundations that I use, the contouring, and then here are the blushes and the lipsticks. And so this is all I have, and so I wanted to get more items from Maskara Beauty. And I did get some brushes for the eyeshadow. This video is just going to focus on just what I ordered and how it looks. So here's the box. I have already opened it, but I haven't grabbed anything in here. But this is how it came. So it's really cute. So I'm going to take all this paper wrapping out. Okay, so the first one I did get, and this is how it comes in these little packets. See that? Okay, so the first one is this color, Salem. So that's going to be an eyeshadow. The second one is Graceland. So pretty. Another eyeshadow. And then the third one is Amethyst. It's like a purple, dark purple. So these are cute little containers. And then this is Oak, and it says it on the back. So that's pretty cute too. And the fifth one is Dollywood. Ooh, that's pretty. It's Dollywood. Okay, and now I'm down to the sixth one, Shenado. That's really pretty too. Shenado. Probably saying it wrong. Okay, and there's another one, Gilded. That's really pretty. It's like a purple, like a dark purple. I love purple, so I think these will be really cute. Okay, so a few more eyeshadows here. Oh, lots of eyeshadow. Went a little crazy. Okay, so this one is Basic. So I got a basic one. Basic. Try to go a little faster so the video is not too long. This is You Complete Me. It's pretty. And then the next one is Thin. It's like a gray color. Thin. F-I-N-N. And next color, La La Land. Ooh, that's pretty. La La Land. And let's see here. Gold Digger. Interesting. Gold Digger. And then Ginger. Ginger's really pretty. I love that color. Okay. I think that's it. I don't know what this is. Oh. So this is a eyeliner. Here's the back. And I'm going to open it. That's eyeliner. Show you that again. And this is Cindy Lip and Cheek. I love pink, so this will be perfect. And then I got Dahlia Lip and Cheek. It's very bright, but I love bright colors. So that's Lip and Cheek Dahlia. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, so then I got Tangled. Okay, so here's Tangled. I guess this is probably like a bronzer you can put here, but it says Tangled. That's the color, Tangled. So it's probably one of those things you put right there, or maybe right here, just to like brighten. And then Baby Watermelon Lip and Cheek, another pink. I love pink, as you can see. I got 3 different lip and cheeks, all in pink. Okay, so it came with this, so it just told me everything that I got. And it also comes with these eyeshadow diagrams. So this is eyeshadow diagrams. You can do ombre, a wash, a windshield wiper, or a deep crease. So it tells you how to do everything. And then it says contour. You can either contour, highlight, lip, cheek, and illuminator, and even it's like a little map. So that's pretty neat. So if you don't know what you're doing, this will help you. Okay. So I did get this so that I could put everything in it. It has a mirror, and it has room to put all these things, to put all those things in them. So I've got 2 different compartments. Here's this compartment, and then there's that one. So I've got plenty of room to put all my new stuff in. So this is my original one, smaller, and this one is the other one. This is a new one. Okay. I did get 2 multitasker brushes. So here's this one. It's the concealer and the detail. So this side concealer, and this side the detail. And then second, this one is eyeshadow everything. So this side is the smudge, and this is the fluffy part of it. So I'm going to open this one first. Okay, so here we go. So this is where you smudge, and this is the fluffy part of it. Pretty cute. And I'm going to open the multitasker. It does everything kind of like you. Okay, so this is the concealer part, and this is the detail. So I'm going to open it. So this is the concealer, and this is the detail. It's very skinny, so I'm probably going to use this for the eyeliner. Okay, well that's it in the bag, in the box. So I'm going to put it all together. See how fast I can get these in here so you can see them all. Kate Fairchild, and these are some of the ones that she recommended, and some of them were out, and so I just got things that look like them, the colors that look like looks she had done. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. But Kate Fairchild is the one who got me into mascara. I'm Maskara Beauty, and I'm wearing Maskara Beauty right now. I have not used any of the eyeshadows. The only thing I've done is used is the foundation, the blush, and the cheek chicken blush and then the contour and the foundation. Just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, so I wanted to, you know, make sure. And I like it. It is a learning curve because it's cream for the face stuff. This is basic. Sorry, I think I forgot to show you some stuff. Okay. Okay, this one's thin. And, ooh, that's pretty. I'll show you how it looks once I get the whole set in here. So this thing is a magnet. So on the back, it stays in it. It's really neat, actually. This is what I have. This is the new one. This is what I have. These are all the new colors I have. So I've got a lot of browns and purples. A lot of browns and purples, and then lighter versions of them. And then I have the black. And then on the side here, this is Tangled. It's like a brightener for certain areas, and then the black eyeliner. So this one is Cindy. This one is Dahlia, and this is Baby Watermelon. This one right here. These are all lip and cheek. So this one's Cindy. And then Dahlia is this bright pink one. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, I'm mixing them all together. But that's a pretty color. And the third one is Baby Watermelon. It's really light, so you still can see it. So I have all three colors on my lips right now. So I don't know which one's my favorite yet, but I just mixed all three of them together. They're on my fingers. And here are the colors again. So I don't know which one I like yet because I put all three of them on my lips. But those are the three colors. Okay, so that's everything I got. Got lots of eyeshadow I will be playing with. These are the lip and cheek, and these are the new brushes. And I will show you the colors again, but this is the gold. Oh, look how pretty that is. And then here's the silver. So that's the gold and that's the silver. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you my new goodies that I received from Maskara. I'm excited to start playing with everything, but again, this was just a video to, I guess, do like an open box and show you everything I received from Maskara, and I'll start playing with it and hopefully do some videos soon on the different looks. But again, Kate Fairchild is a person that I went through. I am wearing Maskara Beauty right now. I'm wearing the primer, the foundation, and this is what I used. These are the colors that she recommended for me, and this is what I have on my cheeks. That one right there I have on my cheeks and my lips, but I did put the new ones on my lips, so this is not the color anymore. It's a whole bunch of different colors. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and hopefully I can get to making some videos to show you more of the eyeshadows. So thanks for watching.